Again, '06 MDX didn't start, kept blowing the fuse. This one is for main relay, and we changed the computer. It didn't help. Finally, we got to the bottom of it. The problem is the harness leading to the crank sensor. This is the part of it. It goes all the way down. It was shorting out. I moved it around. It stopped shorting out. All right, now we got power, and the vehicle starts fine. So the issue is still there, and it's the usual issue for the MDXs. That harness needs to be replaced.